eye black. And the woman.
Viewers and subscribers, before you do anything, remember to like the video. I don't know if you like my video, I'm gonna come with no foolishness. So like the video, leave a comment and let me know what you think. If you don't like the story or like what go on in it, just still put a look one like on the video and then we can talk. Alright? Furthermore, we could get into the story now. Guys, I'm gonna tell you them people in Jamaica. I don't know if and how or what make them have to do certain things like this when we go getting viewers and subscribers. 4 persons were arrested by the police in Mandeville, Manchester today over the seizure of an illegal firearm. The police said the 3 men and a woman could be charged later today, guys. According to the police, about 11:20 a.m. a team was on patrol in the town center when a motorist reported a suspicious vehicle. So that means that them in the town and guys and them a move jumpy. You know, you can read and see when people are do certain type of driving and you know. The police said investigations led to the team to a silver underfit with 4 occupants. The vehicle was reportedly trailing an individual who left a bank after conducting a transaction. Jesus, so that means them go the bank is either then go draw some money or then go bank some money. But if this is the story like how it say, so I jar the person they draw some money. So more likely, maybe the person them have idea who and know say him a go do the transaction there and know say yeah, I know when for time pedal him, I could have a couple of millions or something, him a go draw some money if you go do some farmer business. So them for them duty is for get a gun, sit down in a one car and wait and circle the place and know when to draw down upon him and take it away. Basically, that is to say. According to the police, the vehicle was stopped. The occupant searched and 9mm pistol was found in the bosom of the female. Alright. The part of the story now make me have to run with the video. So the 4 of them in the car, guys, and the woman, she put the gun between her breasts. So that means when she hide it, this and nobody now go to a priest array. But big up the police, them then smart enough, you know, say, yeah, all right, that's so. Then could I find it. The 4 were taken into custody. All right, so you know, say, later them I go charge them. So this is the report that we have right now, guys. So that's why I tell you guys, in Jamaica, you have to be very careful with when you go to the bank and when you go do certain things and certain transactions, you cannot associate yourself and make people or close friends or certain people know. Because they may set up people if you rob your point blank. So I go see what I go on with the story and make you know what I go on and yo, I tell you Jamaica set away. Who to tell the person who make the transaction there, them name plan for wipe him out and take away all their money. We could have hear about him on news now, guys. So this is the type of Jamaica where we have now. You can't trust nobody. You understand? And in the video, you can see this man hiding face. You understand? The woman for her face show. So, boy, oh boy, I don't know.
So we drop, yes, he said ain't something there. So next man them there. Alright, in black. And the woman.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, it's man.
Yeah,
Yes,
David.
man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Yeah, guys. So see there, right? That's honestly the video. So we don't know if these person were going to take out those person and take away their cash or whatever, guys. So we have to big up the police them for the quick response. Yeah, we don't know. We can look on it to them, save somebody from getting R0B and save somebody from getting the. So big them up on that. Yeah, man. So only for work and stop terrorize a little taxi man, them and them something there. All right. So guys, that are the story. So I'll keep you posted with any more information about it. And thanks for watching. Remember to like the video and comment. See you in the next video. I'm out.
So yes, it ain't something else. So next man them there. All right, night black. And the woman.
Go, sir. Yeah, sir. Yeah, it's man.
Yeah,
Yes,
David.
man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Come on.